Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I got a package. I got a package. So, you know what that means? That means an unpackaging or unboxing or unenveloping. So, just a second while I pull it out. Let's hear that crinkle, crinkle. What I love about this package is a little bit of everything I ordered off of this site. I'll share the site with you in just a minute, and we have 2 giveaways all on this video. How amazing is that? So we are going to dive in. There's more. It just keeps coming, people. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. And more. There we go. All right. So it's all out of the bag. I wanted to see you guys face to face, doing a little bit different right now. So that's why we're here. But this is for GBFKE, and you guys have been waiting for this because I had a part 1 and a part 2 video, and in the part 2 video I decided to do a giveaway. So the first giveaway we are going to do has to do with who commented on that video. You will be winning this really big, huge, beautiful 80 by 30 landscape. The second prize I'll do towards the end, so stay tuned to see who won the second prize. But we are going to jump in on this first prize. What I've done is I have selected and shared off of my YouTube. I have plugged it in the random comment picker. It's like right there. And there's 82 comments. And then I'm going to hit start. And it's random comment picking right now. And we're going to see who wins this. Elizabeth! So the question was, what company would you like to try if you could try a company? And Elizabeth Paco says, I would love to try Craftably. They have some beautiful paintings that I wish to do. I just have to save up for them. Absolutely. I love Craftably as well. I have one right back here in this tube. Sneak peek of what I'm going to be unboxing soon. But yes, definitely. So contact me, Elizabeth. Let me know. Contact me at dpaddictionadventures@gmail.com. Let me know your name and address, and I will get this out to you as soon as humanly possible. Okay, so let's dig in. As we dig in, I will put on the screen how much this is, and down below will also be the link as well. I am so excited about this. This is a compact mirror, and if you guys know me and sunflowers, so it comes in one of these white envelopes, and this is what it looks like. It is a special drill. What I also love is everything, no matter how big or how small a diamond painting is, you always get exactly what you need to do that individual item. So this has a single place pen, your green boat / tray with the ridges, and then a small bit of wax. And then this is the compact mirror, and it's on both sides. It's the sunflower. And then when you open it up, look, you can see each other. Woo! Sunglasses. But the reason it has this covering over it is because of the sticky. So it is sticky in the areas that do need little gems. And then look how tiny these rhinestones are. Look how tiny they are. All of them super tiny. This is the larger one. And then they also give us the little orange petals or yellow petals. Little teardrops, and then here's some gold rounds. Okay, but these are super, super small. You can see that compared to a normal drill. That's going to be so fun to put on here, though. This will probably be something that I don't put in my purse, maybe my work drawer, or in the drawer in my dining room if I need a mirror to pull out, because although the glue sticks well, your purse, it gets so beat up in there. So that's just an idea for you guys. All right, so I'm going to put that aside. Let's dive into this. I don't know what's in here. Let's see what's in here. You do need to be careful when you open some of these envelopes because the canvas comes right up to the top. You don't want to cut your canvas. Okay, so this is a special drill I have been looking at for a long time, and I finally bit the bullet. For those of you who don't know what that means, that basically just means you finally made the decision and did it. Okay, so you guys ready? It's just a cute snack size. It says it's a penguin. Does that look like a penguin? No, but I didn't order a penguin. I ordered a tree, so I don't mind that the product name says penguin. But isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. And the little tree dots are like apples and hearts. So adorable. I'm going to do this one pretty much right away. So here's the little hearts. They're this beautiful red. Here's the leaf slivers. So gorgeous. They're like an emerald color. And then you've got your special, oh, this is in another baggie. Ah, they double bagged it. They don't want me in. These also have small rhinestones as well as big rhinestones. So you're going to get some gold color. You've got big and small blue, big and small aqua, big and small purple, big and small pink, big and small green, and then this is like an amber and a silver. Can't quite tell, but that's got some amber in it. So, oh, I am so excited. I've been wanting this image for a long time, and so I finally just ordered it. So I want to put these back. I'm not going to double bag them though. Wrap this up. What I like to do is I also have these project bags that I stick some of these in, these snack sizes in. Let's put that in the trash. It did come with some tweezers because they're special drills, single placer, pen, tray, and wax. Guys, it's just, oh my goodness, I have 1, 2, 3, 5 more things. Okay, let's dive into this. I wanted to get some Christmas cards. These Christmas cards were a big hit last year that I got from a different company. And so when I saw these, I'm like, oh, I've got to get those because my friends loved the Christmas cards last year. So you get envelopes. I will say the envelopes do not have a seal on it, so you will need to use a sticker or tape to close them. I don't know if that's just anything overseas I've gotten, even when I actually bought things in Thailand, they didn't have the glue on the envelopes. Okay, so this is the first one. It's a tree. And then the back says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And then this is the inside. How cute is that? So you can write a little something or stick your family photo in there. I really liked this joy one. Then inside, you've got this little snowman in the trees. And then inside, this one's cute. This little wreath. And inside. So this is just something extra special, like for your kids to give the grandparents or to send your aunt and uncle. Here's gloves holding a present with the back. These fold like so. So inside, Merry Xmas. That's cute. I love the inside of this one. Super cute. This one just says Merry Christmas. Has a little reindeer with a mandala in it. And then this is hot cocoa. So super cute. Yeah, so how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not bad. You get a single placer, boat, some baggies, and some wax, and then you get all of the colors. So some of these are normal drills and some are special colors. The one thing about these is you have to go according to what's on here. So if the number is 8, you're gonna, or 13 or 4, you're gonna use what's in the bag. So the bags are labeled 4, 5, 6, and you've got some special drills, so on and so forth. So you do need to pay attention to the card itself because there's not really a key other than your common sense. They've got some really cute stars. So some cute stuff here. I'm very excited to be able to do this. I am going to stick this back in this bag because you should see my desk. It is a mess right now, which is one of the reasons you're looking at my face rather than the desk. All right. Let's put those over there. Actually, let's put them back. Put them back in the bag later. All right. So you know from one of my previous videos that I'm on this little bit of a round kick, not round drills, but round diamond paintings themselves. So I got this one. This is a 40 by 40, and it's just this pretty tree. These are the colors of my bedroom. These aqua and cream and browns, and I just thought this was cool. And so it is a full drill, but then you cut it or put it in a frame. There's no drilling out here. Okay, super clear to read. It's got 21 colors, and then these are the colors. They're very muted, but I wanted that for my bedroom. Okay, I'm really bright down here, bright in my living room. I kind of call my style Pottery Barn on a budget, but my family room's like super bright. So these are rounds, and you got just like these muted colors, but you do have some blues, some yellows, some tans. So this will be fun to do. Just a little something different that I don't already have. And I'm starting to see it more and more. I first noticed it on Creative Mayhem's channel when she was doing some whip-in chats, and I really liked it. And so when I started seeing them for a reasonable price, I went ahead and got. So now I have 2 of them. Let's roll this back, baby, back up. Look, I can never roll it up like it came. But at least the drills are with it for right now. Oh, there's so much stuff here. So much stuff. Okay, you guys staying with me? Don't forget, there's a giveaway at the end if you wait. And please remember not to tell who the winner is, because it's always fun to find out if you're the winner or not. So this has 19 colors. It's a 30 by 30. I just thought this was super cute to potentially give my niece to do. She loves the Minnie Mouse I made for her, and it was just, this is bright, it's round, it has some really fun colors. You can see there it does have the DMC codes on, and these colors are just really bright and fun. So I wanted to get this to maybe give my niece for Christmas. Thought it would be a good Christmas present for her. 2 more, people, 2 more. And these are all on the site, so check out the links down below. Again, I recommend, because the site does have stock sizes, that you pick things, as you can see I've picked, that are simple. Now, I did get this from another company, so now I have 2 of them. So one of these eventually will be a giveaway. Not this time, but be on the lookout for a giveaway. This is my heart tree. Okay, and so I have the beautiful drills with it, and I have the tray and single placer and wax. I'm not going to open it because I am going to be giving this away soon. It has 23 colors and it's absolutely beautiful. Alright, so this is the last thing I got. Diamond painting new experience. Then on the back of the box, it has kind of how to diamond paint. And it shows you up here in the corner what I selected. This is one of those lights, and I was curious because everybody was opening them, what it would look like. So here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Woo, here we go. Here is the front and the back, or the front and the back of what you're actually going to diamond paint. Here are the beautiful shapes and drills in the packaging. You get your tray, your single placer. You get this beautiful frame that you're going to stick this into, like so. And I think, I'm not going to pop it in, but I think you pop it in, and then you attach it, and there's batteries, or you can plug it in. And this thing lights up. Let me see. Don't want to break it. Let me see if I can plug it into my computer. It'll light up for you guys. You light up my life. Right? Oop. There we go. There we go. So it's blue. And you pop this in. And then it kind of glows. And all of these, I think, are going to sparkle once I put them on. So I want to test it out, see what happens, see what I think of it, and try it out. So there's batteries you can put in the bottom, or you can plug it in with a USB. All right, so that is what I got. That is a huge stash. Oh my gosh, I need like an hour to put everything away. But thank you for hanging in there with me. Let me find my phone, because it's now time to release the second image that I'm sending from this wonderful company. And this is the floral image, the tree and the sun's, the background with the sun. So it is the 80 by 30 as well. I'm going to get that. And let's go. Let's do pick another winner. It's picking, it's picking. Ginger's Hobby Corner. She says, I would love to try Craftably one day. They have some beautiful paintings. So both of you wanted to try Craftably. Maybe you should get together because you both won. So Ginger's Hobby Corner, please email me at dpaddictionadventures@gmail.com, your name and your address, so I can get this out to you right away. So I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging around. I know this was a long unboxing, but it was a lot of fun for me. I hope it was fun for you. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.